Hi, my name's Todd Hall. Actually, when we bought this home, one of the issues that we noticed right away was the kitchen needed to be remodeled. We always had plans in the back of our head about making the perfect kitchen, and this actual kitchen is what sold the house because of the size of the kitchen. So we wanted to remodel. We took a few years to actually get comfortable in the kitchen, to know what we really wanted. And the result is we got our dream kitchen. There were a number of remodelers that we looked at, various ones from Fairfax, all Loudon, all over Alexandria Falls Church. We wanted to find the right fit. We really knew what we wanted, and finding the right designer and the right company was paramount for us. We had to make sure that we gelled together and we fit and knew that we would work well together. And the minute we stepped into Kitchens, we knew that was the right choice for us. It felt comfortable. All of the folks we spoke to were actually some of the best that we had talked with. They made us comfortable right away. The minute we met our designer Shafa, we knew it was going to be a great fit. And again, this is the result we got from that. So the ideas that we had for this kitchen were very specific. Harold is basically a chef in his own right, and he wanted just the perfect kitchen where everything laid out. You know, counters, drawers, everything that he needed and required to actually cook. We sat down with Shava and basically stated, this is what we're looking for. We have an idea of what we want. And seriously, in 2 hours, she had everything laid out and the plans working. So again, we knew this was the right place for us. She listened to us. We listened to her suggestions. We worked out some very unique spaces and corners. I don't think there's one cabinet in this kitchen that is standard. It is a custom kitchen, obviously, but we down right to the quarter to a half inch on cabinets, getting every bit of space that we could. And she was phenomenal with working with us on that. And the experience of looking at everything from the cabinets to the hardware to the flooring to the lighting was made so easy for us by MB Kitchens. Shafa listened to everything we had. We spoke to Sean, we spoke to a number of individuals within the company that laid everything out for us exactly the way we wanted it to look. Being a one-stop shop, using the cabinetry that we did, that was a custom cabinet, gave us the options to do all kinds of great things. We've got some really unique drawers that we've had that angle into the corner. We knew we didn't want a lazy Susan, and Shafa said, let me show you this corner cabinet that we have, that we absolutely fell in love. In fact, that cabinet's probably what sold us on these cabinets that we have. So we knew this was a perfect place for us to be. The construction crew that we were very fortunate enough to get were fantastic. We had the best crew from the minute they did the demolition to the last final touches they did before they walked out the door. They were the best. One of the things that we were a little concerned about was staying here in the actual home while the kitchen was being totally remodeled and gutted. We knew that there would be probably a lot of dust, a lot of noise. We were absolutely amazed as they sealed off the rooms how little dust that we actually had within the house. They were always cleaning every day. There was garbage pickup at the end of the day. If you didn't know we were having the kitchen remodeled in our neighbors, no one would even know. I mean, there was literally nothing left outside or actually inside for the dust. It was cleaned every minute of the day. The crew was exceptional in building all the cabinetry out, doing some unique things for the walls, just so they had to fit, and putting them back together again. We had custom cabinetry and moldings that needed to be done. They were fantastic in doing everything. So much so they became part of our family, right? So every Friday we had a little party for lunch. We went out to Rio Grande, brought up the food for them. They enjoyed it. It was a great experience. Great, best crew we've ever worked with. So the favorite part of the kitchen has really everything. I love the island. We had it extended, widened, and lengthened, moved out so there was space for more than one person to get around at the same time. We entertain a lot. We work together in the kitchen a lot. By doing that and listening to each other and getting the right sizing between the countertops and the actual island, made it really, really a fantastic experience for us. So. We've explained it to our neighbors. Everyone knows who we've used. They are excited. We've had some neighbors come in. We didn't really want to have a big open house yet until the refrigerator got in. So once that was finally delivered by our appliance folks, then the crew came out, got it immediately installed. And so everyone knows the refrigerator's in and they're all waiting for the party. So we do have probably 3 to 4 neighbors that we recommended that are looking to have their kitchens remodeled, and I think this will probably sell it for them.